Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix no SIM available on iPhone, so let's start. So the first method is try to use airplane mode for a few seconds. So just activate the airplane mode, just wait a little bit, about 5 seconds, and then just turn off the airplane mode again. Now try to use the SIM on your phone. The next method is going to check if there is no update for your carrier. So in this case, go to settings and then to cellular, and then here you can check the roaming options if everything is alright, and if there is an update, just update your carrier. So when you do it, try to use, for example, the SIM card. Another method to use it, it's insert again your SIM card, remove and insert again. So maybe with that, probably this will fix it. Another method is restart your iPhone. So you can restart your iPhone and then try to use again your SIM. And the last one is restart the Wi-Fi or the internet settings. How you can do it? Let's go to Wi-Fi, and well, you have here everything is alright. And then you can check here on general, and then on general let's scroll down and just check if everything is alright, and you can transfer or reset iPhone, and you can reset all the settings, or reset network settings, keyboard dictionary, home screen layout. So I recommend you to reset the network settings. When you do it, you have to reset your password from your Wi-Fi network as well as your iPhone carrier again. So guys, I hope one of these methods helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.